Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to set up task automation in UPBASE, your 2025 full guide. Let's get started. Our first step is to open UPBASE and navigate to the Workflow tab. This is where we'll create our automated task. The reason we do this is because it's the hub for all process automations within the platform. Next, click on the Create Workflow button. This leads us to the Customization page where we can define the specifics of our task. Now, choose a trigger. This could be anything from a new task creation to a status change. This is the event that initiates our automated sequence. Now that we've done that, it's time to define the actions that follow the trigger. For example, if a task status changes to in progress, you might want to automatically assign it to a certain team member. This helps us because it streamlines the process, saving time and ensuring consistency. After setting our actions, we're going to add conditions. These are specific criteria that determine if the automation should run. Maybe the automation only applies to tasks with a certain tag or within a certain project. This is a crucial step because it allows us to control the scope of our automations, making sure they're applied only where needed. Once we've defined the trigger, action, and conditions, all that's left is to name our workflow and save it. Doing so allows UPBASE to start automating the tasks based on the rules we've set. And voila, you've set up task automation in UPBASE. Remember, the key to effective automation is understanding your team's work patterns and setting the right triggers and actions. Thanks for tuning in and keep streamlining your work processes. Until next time, happy automating.